Dubai skyscrapers that pierce the clouds, man-made islands you can see from space, luxury that's just on another level. Beyond the headlines and the Instagram posts, there's a vibe, an energy to this city that you got to experience to understand. It's a place that's constantly reinventing itself, pushing boundaries and saying, why not? We're not just going to skim the surface. Nah, we're going deep. I've pounded the pavement, or in this case, the desert sands and marble floors, to find the spots that truly define this city, the iconic, the breathtaking, you absolutely cannot miss this kind of places. Welcome to our cinematic journey through Dubai's most breathtaking scenic spots. In this video, we'll explore the first 10 of the top 20 must-visit locations in this vibrant city, so buckle up because we're kicking things off with part 1. Let's go. So, first up, you can't talk about Dubai without talking about this absolute monster, the Burj Khalifa. Seriously, it's the tallest building in the world. And that's not just some marketing slogan. It's a fact that hits you when you're standing at its base, craning your neck, trying to see the top. It's like it just keeps going, scraping the sky, almost daring other buildings to even try and compete. It's more than just steel and glass. It's a statement, a massive, shiny, very, very tall statement about ambition and what's possible. Getting to the observation deck at the top is an experience in itself. The elevators, man, they're like rockets, super fast, super smooth, and your ears pop like you're on a plane. There's this build-up, this anticipation as you ascend hundreds of meters in a matter of seconds, and then the doors open, and bam, the view. You're looking down on other skyscrapers like they're Legos. You feel like you're on top of the world because, well, you pretty much are. All right, next stop, right at the foot of the Burj Khalifa, you've got the Dubai Fountain. Now, I've seen fountain shows before, you know, a bit of water, some lights, maybe a classical tune. But this is on a completely different scale. It's not just a fountain show, it's a full-blown aquatic spectacle. Imagine a body of water bigger than 2 football fields, and then imagine it exploding into life with jets of water shooting up as high as a 50-story building. The shows run every half hour in the evenings, and trust me, you want to get a good spot because it gets packed. The music starts, and it's everything from classical Arabic melodies to Whitney Houston, and the water just dances. It's mesmerizing. It's a must-do, no question. No. Okay, let's talk about something that just screams Dubai, the Palm Jumeirah. This isn't just an island, it's a statement of intent, a testament to human ingenuity, or maybe just sheer audacity. They literally built a massive island in the shape of a palm tree, complete with a trunk, fronds, and a crescent on top. You can see it from space, which is just nuts when you think about it. Driving onto the palm is an experience. You go through this underwater tunnel to get to the crescent, and then you're surrounded by some of the most luxurious hotels and villas on the planet. It's a modern marvel, plain and simple. Chapter 4, Skyscrapers and Speedboats, Dubai Marina. Next up, we're hitting Dubai Marina. If the Burj Khalifa is about height, the Marina is about density and this incredible, almost futuristic skyline. Picture this, a man-made canal winding its way through a forest of some of the tallest residential towers in the world. These aren't just buildings, they're architectural statements, all glass and steel, twisting and turning towards the sky. The vibe here is electric. During the day, you've got people jogging along the Marina Walk, families out for a stroll, and countless cafes and restaurants buzzing with activity. Then there are the yachts. Oh man, the yachts. You can hop on a dhow cruise or a speedboat tour to see the skyline from the water, which gives you a totally different perspective on just how impressive this whole development is. It's a place you can just wander around for hours and still find something new to look at. Chapter 5, Sun, Sand and Super Hotels, Jumeirah Beach. Alright, after all that concrete and steel, let's talk about something a little more natural, or at least naturally appealing, Jumeirah Beach. This isn't just any beach, this is Dubai beach experience for many. We're talking pristine, powdery white sands that feel incredible under your feet, and clear turquoise waters of the Arabian Gulf that are surprisingly warm. What makes Jumeirah Beach extra special, apart from the beautiful sand and water, is the backdrop. You're lounging on the beach, soaking up the sun, and in the distance, you've got this iconic silhouette of the Burj Al Arab. It's a perfect spot to recharge. Chapter 6, Old School Cool Dubai Creek and Abra Rides. Now let's take a step back in time, away from the gleaming skyscrapers and into the heart of old Dubai, Dubai Creek. This saltwater estuary is where it all began for Dubai. Long before the oil, before the mega malls and record-breaking towers, this was the city's lifeline. The best way to experience the creek, you got to take an Abra. These are traditional wooden water taxis that have been ferrying people across the creek for decades, probably longer. For just 1 dirham, that's like 25 cents. You can hop on one of these little boats and get a real taste of old Dubai as you cross from Bur Dubai to Deira or vice versa. You get these amazing views of the old buildings, the wind towers, the bustling souks, markets, lining the banks. The creek is a reminder that Dubai has a rich heritage, a story that started long before the modern marvels. Okay, let's be real. You can't come to Dubai and not talk about the Dubai Mall. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's a mall, Casey. What's the big deal? But this isn't just a mall. This is the Dubai Mall. It's a beast. It's an experience. It's a small city dedicated to shopping, entertainment, and just about anything else you can imagine. It's so big you could genuinely get lost in here for days and probably still not see everything. The scale of it is just mind-boggling. Forget your local shopping centre. This place has over 1,200 retail stores, from high-end luxury brands that cost more than my car to everyday stuff. Inside this colossal structure, you've got a massive indoor aquarium and underwater zoo, an Olympic-sized ice rink, a virtual reality park, a multiplex cinema with like 20-something screens, and even the entrance to the Burj Khalifa. It's a destination in itself. All right, let's talk about an icon, a building so famous its silhouette is instantly recognizable worldwide, the Burj Al Arab Jumeirah. This is the sailboat hotel, the one that looks like it's about to set sail into the Arabian Gulf. It's one of the first things that put Dubai on the global map for extreme luxury. And even now, years later, it still holds that almost mythical status. You see it on postcards, in movies, everywhere. It's pure, unadulterated opulence. Now, getting inside is a mission in itself. It's not like you can just wander into the lobby. This place prides itself on exclusivity. You typically need a reservation for one of its super expensive restaurants or suites to even get past the front gate. It's more than a hotel. It's a landmark that screams Dubai to the world. So, you're in the middle of the desert, right? You expect sand, heat, maybe a few hardy shrubs. What you don't expect is a massive, sprawling garden bursting with millions upon millions of flowers arranged in the most insane and elaborate designs. But this is Dubai, the city that loves to defy expectations. Welcome to the Dubai Miracle Garden. And miracle is probably the right word for it, because creating something this vibrant and alive in this climate is nothing short of miraculous. This place is a riot of color. We're talking over 50 million flowers, apparently, sculpted into giant hearts. Castles, animals, even a full-size Emirates, a 380 airplane covered entirely in blooms. It's a beautiful, fragrant escape, and a definite must-see if you're looking for something a little different, a little magical. Okay, for our last spot in part one, we're taking a serious detour from the ultra-modern and diving deep into Dubai's past. This is the Al Fahidi historical neighborhood, also known as Al Bastakia, and let me tell you, it's like stepping into a completely different world. Forget the skyscrapers and superhighways for a minute. Here you've got narrow, winding alleyways, traditional courtyard houses made of gypsum and coral, and these cool wind towers that were the original form of air conditioning. This area gives you a real sense of what Dubai was like before the oil boom, before it became the global hub it is today. It's been beautifully preserved and restored, and wandering through its quiet lanes is a peaceful, almost meditative experience. It's a crucial piece of the puzzle if you really want to this city. Al Fahidi isn't just a collection of old buildings, it's a living museum, a tranquil oasis that tells the story of Dubai's humble beginnings. Alright, so there you have it, the first 10. 10 incredible must-see, got-to-experience-it-for-yourself spots in this absolutely wild city of Dubai. From the dizzying heights of the Burj Khalifa to the historical heart of Al Fahidi, it's a place of insane contrasts, relentless ambition, and moments that just take your breath away. We've seen a lot, but trust me, we're just scratching the surface. This city always has another trick up its sleeve, another jaw-dropping sight around the corner. And if you're planning a visit, Dubai offers a range of accommodations from luxurious hotels to budget-friendly options. The culinary scene is just as diverse, with world-class restaurants and local eateries. Let me know in the comments which spot was your favorite so far, or what you're hoping to see next. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Peace.